करीब रहे आप भी आ जाएंगे, वीडियो में आप आ जाएंगे। ये है इट वाज एन ओपन कचहरी, इट वाज एन ओपन कचहरी, इट वाज एन ओपन कोर्ट हियरिंग एट सैगलाबाद खोतियाँ। DPO was here, large number of people from the area gathered here to welcome him. People presented their complaints and their cases. Many of the cases were solved immediately, while another some of the cases he called party that is at his office as a DPO office Chakwal district. Now I think DPO Saab Honorable Ahmed Mohyuddin is a very popular police officer, and his videos are seen across Pakistan, even outside Pakistan. Why? Because he is seen delivering the instant justice, and it is something really what is desperately needed here in Pakistani society, because the Pakistani departments are not are having a bad name as far the delivery is concerned, as far the solution of the cases is concerned, as far the delivery of justice is concerned. Pakistani courts are not considered so good. So that is why the officers like DPO Ahmed Mohyuddin, they are very popular in the society, because they are known, they have the fame of delivering the justice on the spot in a very short span of time.